a second session. Yeah. Now Mithali ma'am, unmute yourself. Mithali ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mithali ma'am, you have any question and you want to also ask about your problems, so please you also can ask.
Yes, sir. I have question to get my answer about sir. Sir, when I faced any interview, so I always had hesitated, and I don't have any confidence. I don't have any confidence regarding my interview, and furthermore, so I always, you know, I always did performance my I what whenever I did my performance, so it that was always the worst. I don't know was what was the reason behind it, but whenever I face any interview, I always hesitate. I don't have any confidence regarding anything about how to talk them, how to clarify my thoughts in front of them, and yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
Milady. Okay, I have understood your question. See, the thing is, you don't have a confidence, and you are a bit hesitant to attending the interviews and giving the interviews. So, see, as you mentioned, in our life, if you want to do anything, be it attending interview, be it try to learn a new skill, and or be it a proficient in communication, the very first foremost thing which is required is the confidence. Okay, the thing is, you should have a confidence that yes, I can learn this language. Yes, I can do. I can get this job. Yes, I can learn this new skill. Okay, the thing is, as I told you, you have to prepare yourself. Okay, the thing is, if you don't prepare yourself, you will not be able to control yourself, and if you don't control yourself, you are actually, like, as most of the people, that we have knowledge and the brain. Okay, the thing is, knowledge actually knows intellectuality, about the intellectuality, but brain actually tries to stop this knowledge. The thing is, brain, it always says that you don't do that because you are afraid of that, but knowledge says that even though you are afraid, you have to do that because you want to become that, because you want to gain that, because you want to be proficient in that. It actually says that. The thing is, here, why we don't have a confidence, there are lots of reasons. Okay, the first thing is, maybe we are not prepared very well.
Lack of
Maybe
courage also, sir.
exactly
Lack
exactly
of
lack of courage.
yeah.
Exactly, lack of courage. And that is what, even lack of courage, in the sense, if you are prepared, if you are prepared very well, and if you know that I mean, for example, you are going for a bank interview. Okay, so where you should have a knowledge about the bank. Okay, where you should have knowledge about what are the activities that can be done in the bank. Okay, that can be done related to the money, or related to the transactions. Okay, are related to all this field, all that field. Okay, so you should have the knowledge. If you have a knowledge, and your brain and your intelligence says that now you can actually face the interview, now you will get the job, so you will get automatically, you will get that kind of confidence. So even though you have prepared, but sometimes we will be bit hesitant, because the thing is, we may think that whether I will get this job or not, whether I will be able to answer the questions in the interview or not. And also we will think that most of the times we will think that whatever I have prepared, whether I will get the same kind of question, whether I will get the same questions in the interview or not, whether I will face the same questions or not. Okay, so we will think lots of things. Even I have also faced, even I also couldn't answer, even I have also, like, I'm frankly telling you, even though after my 3 years of experience, I have attended for one company, and where they have asked the simple, very, very simple questions, which I have worked on. Okay, which I have worked on. But the thing is, I couldn't able to answer. The thing is, I did not prepare very well. The thing is, I myself thought that I myself thought that without preparing, I can give the interview. So I thought like that, and I went. But then I have realized that no, 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 I should
But sir,
prepare well.
in a before some time, I gave my interview. I was trying very hard, but I couldn't able to succeed. I do actually I think so that there was a lack of knowledge in my respective subject. I think
Exactly.
there was also
Exactly.
reason behind it. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly, Milad. And lack of knowledge,
yeah,
lack of subject knowledge also. But the thing is,
yeah,
when you have attended an interview, so first of all, see, the thing is, if you have been rejected for an interview means that is not an end of life. Okay, so job is,
yeah,
it is just a part of our life. You never think
yeah,
that job is or career is, career is, I know, utmost important for our life. But the thing is, it is just a part of our life. Okay, we have a family, we have relationships, and we have friends. Okay, we have lots of things in the life. Okay, job is just a part of it. We should never, the thing is, but we will give much priority to it. Okay, we will give much priority to the job, because we if you want to achieve monetary goals, job is the utmost important. Okay, if you don't have a job, or if you don't if you are not an entrepreneur, then you will not have a money, and you don't have a monetary goals. The thing is, the job is utmost important, but the thing is, if you want to appear for the interview, you should have a confidence. Before the confidence, you should have a knowledge. When you build up that knowledge, it automatically gives you confidence. And for example, you have a knowledge, you have a confidence, but you are unable to answer the questions means, you are a bit hesitant, or you are a bit reluctant to answer those questions. So you have to realize, and when once you have appeared for an interview, so if you couldn't able to answer some of the questions, so after the interview, you should reflect on that interview. Okay, the thing is, why couldn't I able to answer? So okay, you have to think like that, and you have to note down those questions. And if you if you couldn't answer some area of the answers, then you have to think that, okay, this is the area where I should actually enlighten my knowledge. Okay, this is an area where I should actually grow up my skills. So you have to think like that, and each and every interview, you have to prepare yourself, you have to improve your skills, you have to
yes,
improve
sir,
your
yes,
knowledge. So one after another, even I'm telling you, after my
yeah, yes, sir,
means when I was uh, 6 years of experience. So I have tried for the better MNC company. So I have been rejected for first few companies. Okay, then after that, I got a package of 13 lakhs package, like that. Then from there, I have got another company. Then from that, I have got another company. And then after, I got 5 offers. Because each and every interview, I have improvised myself, I have improvised my knowledge, I have improvised my skills, I have improvised my behavior. Okay, I have improvised myself. The thing is, our full focus should be on the knowledge, on the skills. So when you do like that, it automatically gives you the confidence. Okay, Milati,
okay, sir, okay, okay, thank you, sir.
thank you.
Okay, that's good. And now Vishal, unmute yourself.
Right, sir.
Okay, Vishal, you also want to means ask any question about your problems, please you can also ask. Yeah,
Uh,
Vishal.
uh, right, sir. Sir, my question to Santosh sir, sir, what is the future of IT sector, and what should language like Python and C++, Java? What is the most usable language for future? Thank you.
Yeah, okay, Vishal. Maybe here most of the people are like related to software industry. Are okay. So I can understand. Maybe we have to
So
take
that's
another
so, so,
session,
so that's
Ravindra
why,
sir.
sir, why
Like
I want to invite you, sir, because I know mostly students, they also is pursuing engineering, and some person also have complete this degree, and they also think about it. I think they will try in means our India, So definitely they get a job, but means do not satisfy like means some salary and other thing also. And they also think about it. I think some persons they are working in abroad country like you are visiting in another country. So definitely they also want to go means abroad country. So that's why I invited, and I believe today this will be clear lots of persons our doubt. Okay, continuous, continuous.
Okay. No problem, Vishal.
Yes.
So the thing is, here, the future is like, as you have been hearing like a lot about the artificial intelligence, where you could actually learn the artificial intelligence, and also the cloud management. Okay, the cloud management is now it is in a very top priority, and each and everything, like whatever we do or whatever we develop, everything we will deploy on the cloud. Okay, earlier we don't have a cloud environment, even though we haven't used much. But the thing is, nowadays we are like each and every application will be deploying into the cloud. Like, as you know, that the cloud, Azure or AWS, the cloud platforms are there now. Azure DevOps engineers and all. So the thing is, the future IT, the automation, AI, artificial intelligence, and also the cloud management, and the technologies like the Python is also very very good. I think Python is also like which is very good, and also like Java, .NET. All these technologies are really good. But the thing is, where whatever the technology that you have chosen, you should not be stick to that technology. Okay, you have to improvise yourself. You have to learn lots of things, and especially when you come to the software industry. So even I have started my career with C#.NET, but after that I have learned lots of technologies. Okay, I have learned lots of technologies. Even I have worked with front end, back end, and database and cloud technologies, and each and everything. Okay, I have become a full stack developer, and I have been working as a full stack developer. So the thing is here, whatever the technology is there that you have been looking for, first of all, try to learn about it, or try to know about it, or uh, try to search something for about it. Okay, so that you will get to know about it. But the thing is, maybe we can have a separate session where I will share lots of knowledge about it, because
Okay, sir. Okay.
yeah, yes, because I know it is going too much about the IT
Yes, sir.
industry. I'm thinking.
Okay,
But
definitely after session, anybody they want to means your number, definitely I will send. Okay, sir. After that they will.
Yeah, you can share my number. I will help them. No problem.
Okay, no issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, Natasha ma'am, would you like to say something? Natasha ma'am, would you ask?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Santosh, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Actually, sir, yes, sir. I don't have any question related to English because you also mentioned about English. So how much we should do effort for learning English. So, sir, because something we actually, if you have some knowledge, then you can reveal all the things very properly. If someone asks you some question. But
Yes.
actually, many people say about this that I'm working in IT sector. So I don't understand that what they do in IT sector. So which kind of your work say? Could you say something about it, sir? Because if someone asks me this kind of question, what is the meaning of IT sector? So I don't have any idea about it. So could you reveal, sir,
Yeah.
please?
Sure. So the thing is, IT means information technology, as you know that. I'll tell you in very simple language. The thing is, whatever you have been accessing in the browser, especially
Yeah.
when you open a browser and you will browse so many sites, right? You will browse Facebook, you will browse Twitter, or you will browse lots of sites. Okay, like if you want to purchase something, you will browse Amazon. Okay, Amazon, Flipkart, all these sites are have been developed in the software. Okay, the main work in the software
Okay.
industry is, they want to develop these kind of websites. Okay, so that they could actually maintain you know, their offices or their companies. Okay, like I will give you one example that the retail means I have been working for retail store like H&M, as you know, that I think most of the people, you know, that H&M is a retail store. So I have been working for that. So where we will actually developing a project. Okay, the thing is, retail means you know, the cloth store where you can see lots of dresses are there. Okay, so the dresses means they want to know about the each and everything, inventory, the materials, and you know, what kind of color it is, and how many, you know, whether it is a t-shirt or shirt or whatever it is. So they want to maintain each and everything in their store.
Okay.
Okay, so for that
Okay,
for
sir.
that, you know, they will actually approach the IT companies, and so that IT company will deliver a product or will develop this kind of website, you know, where they could actually maintain all these groceries or all these you know, the materials are all these you know, the product and articles in their site. Okay, so that is one thing. But the thing is, in simple example, that you know, whatever the website that you browse in the browser is being developed by the software industry. So that is what, even all these things, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, okay, all these things, like if you take a
Okay.
Facebook, okay, if you take a Facebook, you will actually get the updates also, right? Sometimes you will also get the updates. So these updates means in the behind, the software developers, they are actually working in the behind, and once they have finished their work, they will actually release all this work, all these you know, the work which they have done, so that you will get the updates and notifications. So for example, if you open a Facebook, where you can actually create a profile, where you can actually post, or where you can actually send a message, you can do the like button, or you can actually refer to the other profile. So all all these things are you know, programmed in the backend side. Okay, behind all these are programmed, so that is why you are able to do that. Okay, because all this data, like you know,
Okay.
once you have just you will enter your email, means once you logged in, you will enter your email and password, means you will get lots of data. You can also browse your history. It means that all this data is being stored in some kind of database. Okay, so the thing is, for all this, all the software developers, they will
Okay.
actually do you know, the behind the work.
Okay,
Yes,
but
so that
Yes,
is what
sir. Yes,
the
sir.
main thing
Wow,
is,
sir.
whatever the software that
I didn't know about that all kinds of things, sir. I didn't know, but now I know this thing from you. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You know, to reach to the end customer, like you know, there are, means in between there are lots of cycles will be there, but that is a process of
Okay.
you know, the software industry.
Okay, sir. So it means the software person have to manage all the things.
Exactly, software in IT industry, they have to manage all these things.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this information. Thank you.
Thank you, Dash.
Thank you, Ravin, sir.
okay. Yeah, Sneha. Now, Sneha, unmute yourself. Sneha. Sambhu. Sambhu, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good
Yeah,
evening,
Sambhu.
sir.
If you have any question,
Yeah,
you
good evening,
want to
Ashwin.
means ask us something, so
Yeah,
please you can ask. Yeah,
I have a question, sir.
yeah.
So, good evening to all. My name is Sambunath, and good evening, Santosh, sir.
Good evening, Ashwin.
I have a question, sir. Sir, nowadays I'm learning digital marketing. So, I want to ask you, any types of degree mandatory I should pursue any types of degree or anything for our IT career. Like I nowadays I'm learning digital marketing, and some person says you don't have any technical degree, any diploma or BTech, nothing to you have. But
Mhm.
I have completed my BCom. So I want to say, I want to ask you, should I pursue any degree or not? I think technical degree.
Please suggest me.
Yeah. I'm not sure about that, Shambhunath. Maybe you said that the people they are referring that you don't have a proper graduation. So the thing is, if you want to be, an IT engineer or like whatever the job that you are looking for, like especially in case of IT industry, like it should be either one the person should be completed or should be graduated, has studied in BTech or MSc. So or most of the people sometime they will also take. I think sometimes they will also take this. Those who have done completed the the graduation or the degree also some cases, but as it is become, I'm not sure which kind of fields you will be suitable. But in as you have mentioned that you are looking for digital marketing, but the thing is it is a kind of like marketing in the sense where you have a skills that you should be very proficient in your communication, and you should be very clear in conveying the message. Okay, you know how to convince the people. Okay, you should know how to convince the people, and you should know how to explain the things about the product which you want to market about it. Okay, so that is those kind of details I know, but the thing is I'm not sure about much about the details which you are looking for.
Sir. Do you heard about SEO?
What?
SEO, search engine optimization.
Okay, yes, yeah, search engine optimization, yes, I know that
Yeah.
is very much required in case of in the software industry.
Yeah, I'm just looking for this.
Okay, but
Yeah, so I'm just
mhm. So search engine optimization techniques, see, that is a one part of one part of Google. Like I mean, if you suppose you have introduced your product. Okay, if you want to know this product to the let the world knows about it, then you can actually put in the Google so that everyone know about it. Okay, the thing is, for example, I'm just giving you an example that, for example, you want to buy something. Okay, you want to buy something in some site. Okay, you want to buy a washing machine. So what you will do, you will actually search with like, I want to buy Electrolux washing machine in the Google. So the search engine optimization, so it will actually give you all the recommendations, all the possible recommendations that it could actually give you the Amazon, or it could give the Flipkart, or it could give lots of things. Okay, lots of things. But the thing is, it has been it has been developed by Google. But for that, as a owner of the website, so I have to give some details to this search optimization engine, SEO, so that it actually prompts my details over the Google.
yes, sir. Rank their websites.
Exactly. Yes, exactly.
So I
Yes.
think any types of technical degree not required for SEO.
See,
Right, sir?
I am not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. But the thing is, I know that I know about the how it works, and that is a part of IT industry. But I'm not sure about some whether it if you are looking for such kind of job, then I think. But most probably, these days everyone is there should be a minimum graduation. Uh, then only you will get this kind of jobs, I believe.
Yeah. Some person they also doing job in digital marketing field, and they also said that in terms of degree don't matter. I think SEO is a skill. When you enhance your skill on digital marketing, like SEO and the types of skill, you should also achieve. You should also achieve lots of achievement, like they do in types of freelancing works and any types of organization and any types of website you work, and lots of things you do. But you have a very proper skill, and you will improve your skill day by day, and you have a master in your skill. Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Shambhu. Maybe you can find out, but then maybe I can get back to you, Shambhunath. Okay, maybe I will find out more details about this. But the thing is, I know about the details, but I never means I don't know the jobs which are related to SEO.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Because I know about it, but the thing is, I never because I mean in my IT industry, you know, I much interested or much I mean I know the details about only this, but the thing is SEO is also part of that. But the thing is, I never concentrated on like some kind of graduation is required for this or not. I never concentrated or I never try to know about like that. But the thing is, if you want, I will get the details and share it with you, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, but the thing is, Shambhunath, if you want to become that, I mean, if you want to get that kind of job, you can actually try to find out, like, I mean, you can try to, advise or try to meet some kind of consultancies where they will provide the details. Okay, you should not pay for anything, but the thing is, try to get the details. Or you can also like, I mean, try to upload your resume, in the Naukri or in the Monster, or you can try to find out in LinkedIn as well. If there are any such kind of jobs where they will actually specify the, whether graduation is required or not. Only the the degree is enough. So they will specify over there, and then you can actually apply for such kind of jobs.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So you can search. You will easily find out, the requirement.
Okay, sir. Thank you for.
Okay,
Okay, I
Shambhunath.
think
Okay, no
yeah,
problem.
only Sabbu got it. Are you satisfied? Sabbu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. And now Silencer, you have any questions? Please, you can also ask.
Good evening, Santosh sir. I have one question, sir.
Yeah, sure.
I have read many books, and I have listened motivational speaker also. So they always tell us you improve your subconscious and conscious mind. So my question is, what is subconscious and conscious mind, and how to work? So that is my question.
Yeah, thank you, Shailendra sir. Okay, so as I have told you, I have also, I have also been a learner like you, and even after I have joined in, DNA, I came to know that all these things I'm telling you, frankly telling you, and that is a very good question that you have asked. Like, what is the conscious mind or subconscious mind? How we can actually store some kind of knowledge, or like how we can do with the conscious and subconscious mind. So the thing is, conscious means, what is conscious mind? Conscious mind means that whatever you do, you will do with with the conscious. I mean that that you are doing this. Means I know that now I am speaking with you. Okay, and I know that what are the words or what are the phrases that I want to use with you, and I am knowing that. But the thing is, subconscious mind means the things automatically you will do without knowing without knowing your intelligence or without knowing your brain. Okay, so it automatically comes in our mind, and it automatically comes from in our inner mind, and it will it will make you do the things. It will make you to speak. It will make you to act. Okay, so the thing is, most of the people, they have they are very proficient, or they can easily learn the new skills, with, or they are they can build lots of very good relationships, because they have very good memory power in their subconscious mind. Okay, the thing is, for example, these days especially, we are doing multitasking. The multitasking means that while while you are having your dinner, you are also watching the TV. The thing is, you are not concentrating on one thing. Okay, so when you are doing like that, it means that you are consciously not eating, and also consciously not eating and not watching the TV. So if you focus on only one thing, like if you are having if you are having your dinner, means it is consciously you are eating your dinner. Okay, if you are watching only TV means you are consciously you are watching the TV. Okay, that is one thing. And another thing is subconscious. Actually, what is the use of subconscious mind? So subconscious mind, whatever whatever you perceive, whatever you receive the things, and you can feed them into the subconscious mind, so that whenever it is required, it automatically brings you from your subconscious mind. It will actually give you some kind of the energy, or some kind of the power to you, so that you will deliver the message, or you will you will use it, and you will act it accordingly. So that is why most of the people says that if you want to become a proficient in English, try to feed all your memory into the subconscious mind. Okay, so just you will I will also give you another example that we will remember, means now also we may remember very bad thing which was happened during our childhood. Okay, so we could remember them because those memories were fed in our subconscious mind. So that is why we were actually remembering them, we were reminiscing them. That is why if they haven't been in subconscious mind, you will not be able to remember them. So that is why these people, they most of the people, they say that if you want to be speak in communication, if you want to be proficient in communication, and you have to feed your language, like the phrases, sentences, grammar, and vocabulary, and each and everything, you have to feed them into the subconscious mind, so that when you speak, when you speak, or when you want to convey the message, inadvertently the words, the phrases, the English language will come from the subconscious mind. Okay, so because there it will actually there it will actually visualize each and everything. Okay, it will be picturized each and everything, so that you can easily convey the message. So that is what I want to say, Shailendra sir. Even the best thing is, if you want to feed something into the subconscious mind, you can visualize lots of things. You can visualize the situations, or the vocabulary, or the sentences, or the phrases. You can try to visualize and feed them into the subconscious mind, and whenever the situation comes, it automatically comes. Okay, whenever the situation comes, like for example, Ravindra sir gives you some topic to speak on that. Okay, so you have already prepared, but you are unable to speak in that, means that those the whatever you have prepared, it wasn't fed in your subconscious mind. So if it has been fed into the subconscious mind, it automatically comes. You will automatically deliver a good speech. So that is why we have to for that, if you want to feed into that your subconscious mind, we have to do the repetitions. So when you do the repetitions, it will automatically feed. And when you not only repetitions, you have to use them. That is the one thing.
Thank you, sir. Give me
you,
my
Shailendra.
answer, and I
Thank you,
got lots of things.
Okay, thank you, Shailendra.
That's great. That's great. I think our person have a complete and really I'm too much appreciate Santosh sir really, because today means I'm thinking only, I think someone they want to ask a little bit about means English language, but here because some person I think due to sir because I think tomorrow Raksha Bandhan, so definitely some person also did not join our session. But mostly persons, they also pursuing in engineering and some technology degree. So definitely they always time means think about it, like when we means have a complete any degree, and nowadays they started searching job. So in this way, I think yeah, Chirag also he also belong to Gujarat, and in previous time also I could means with Chirag, and he always time to think about it, how to get. But really today all persons I fully means believe, sir, all persons will be totally satisfied. Why? Because you whatever you deliver, according means according question, definitely it's like a perfect, and all persons means get this type of answer. Definitely this satisfied. Why? Because means they have a little bit knowledge also, but they have a little bit doubt. So definitely they get this type of knowledge, and definitely they will overcome purely. So that's a great, Santosh sir. Really, I thank means again.
Thank you.
And definitely, sir, it's a session. It was very fantastic, and because we have complete something 2 session, and all persons, we have complete our doubt. and it's very helpful each every person. I know very well because the importance of this session. You know, sir, because
Yeah.
I know very well because now I'm also learning English language. You know, sir. But sir, in this
Yes.
class, when I started this session, conduct this session, definitely I think 20-25 members they come every day and they are practice very well and they also improve lots.
That's great.
And I'm sir never
That is
take
great.
any money. It's totally free. Means, my session totally free. And sir, I am also want to little bit contribute whatever because sir, I don't have too much money, but I have a little bit knowledge. I have this type season. So definitely here I think some student also here sir don't have like too much money and other thing also, but they come here and they practice. And definitely I have a means very means like a good mentor and good friend like you and Noble sir and lots of. And in previous time also I have been invited Noble sir and Deepak sir. You know, everybody too much happy with my session. Why? Because they also appreciate my work and they told about yeah these are going whenever you need. Don't worry about each and message. I will means come and whatever you means need I should give. So that's means about my
Exactly.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Exactly, yeah, sir. Like even I am also telling the same. Like whenever you want, because see, even I also means I have been watching some of your videos whenever I get a time, and even I know personally you personally like how you have started your career in DNA and how you have improved, and you know, I mean you are here. You know, everyone is for same purpose. You know, we want to learn together. We want to achieve each and everything together. That is the each and every person common goal. So here I am also learner, but I just want to share my experience with you so that you will also get some kind of knowledge, or it will help you each and everything. Maybe I may lack at certain areas,
Yes,
other people may lack at some other areas. So if you share the knowledge, so that we will overcome at that areas.
yes.
And another thing is also, Yadav sir, if there are any IT employees or if they want to pursue IT career, you can also conduct another session for them specifically, so
Yeah,
that
yes.
we can also have such kind of questions.
Yeah,
Okay,
yes, yes,
I can
yes.
ready for that, even especially either Saturday or Sunday. And you can also share my number.
Yeah, yeah. Sure,
And
sure.
yeah, whenever I get a time, so definitely I will give the insights about the IT industry or what they want to pursue. I will share at least some of the knowledge, because I have been in this IT industry more than 8 years. So definitely I will share the knowledge with them. So thank you so much, Ravindra
Thank you,
sir,
thank you.
inviting